We've done everything from line dance classes to small intimate weddings to family reunions to all of that just inside the barn.
Nice. Well, let's talk about money then. So when they use the barn, right? Are they using the field and the barn, or are they just using the barn? You have an option for just the barn.
It's an option for both. Most people get both the field and the barn, but you certainly have the option to just get the barn or just get the field.
That's what's up.
What are you charging for that?
So the field and the barn it depends. Now, G-Ho prices are a little higher, but on a regular end, we're looking at $350 an hour for the barn and the field. Just the barn, about $120 an hour. We don't too much tax for the barn. And the field by itself is about $220 an hour.
That's the land paying for itself. And I know you're a photographer and a videographer as well. Do you ever throw those services in?
Absolutely. I don't do as much photography because I'm busy with the farm, but if someone's having an event here and they need photos, I do that. A lot of people come out here and reserve the space for their engagement photos and things along those lines. If they want a horse, we rent the horses out for pictures.
So that's
as well.
plus. Okay, so your venue price is $350 an hour. What else can they get? They can get the horses. They can get photography.
Yep, they can get the horse for $150 per horse per hour. My photography package, that's just the price. You're gonna pay that on top of. It depends on what it is. It depends on what it is. And then I bounce houses here. A lot of people that have family reunions or kids' birthday parties, we do a lot of those. They can reserve the bounce house for an extra $120 for the duration of their event. So it's a lot of add-ons with renting space.
Exactly. So with tables and chairs, do you typically add that in? Or
so I include tables and chairs unless I have to rent more. I have 20 tables and 100 chairs. If I need more than that, then you're going to pay for more than that.
Absolutely.
But I include that in the price.
Now, what was the initial investment for tables and chairs?
I picked them up marketplace free. Look, I'm a Facebook marketplace.
That's right.
Yeah. So
High five.
Most of them were free. I bought the chairs. Someone was selling a lot of them. I think it was $100 for 100 chairs. The tables, I bought the plastic ones, and then the wooden ones. He was like, "We'll take these two." So honestly, probably $200 for 20 tables and 100 chairs. Not much at all.
And what do you rent them for?
Just the tables and chairs themselves. They're included with my rental. I don't really rent outside, because I don't want to deal with the
obviously at $100,
all of that, right?
Yeah, at $100 they pay for themselves.
Absolutely.
Right, for sure.
So within a month after purchasing this property, you started doing trail rides. What was that like?
So our first event, it was crazy because it was when Hurricane Debbie was here. So it was crazy amount of rain. The field was muddy, but trail rides aren't necessarily clean.
Yeah.
So we had so much running through our minds, and that wasn't our event that we hosted. I let somebody rent the field to have their event, which is
nice.
It was a lot quicker than I wanted it to be. I mean, I knew that's what we wanted to do, but we were thinking let's get settled in first. Nah, we didn't do all
nice.
that. So
that's great.
It was a dope. They had a couple celebrity performers out here. We had Michi. Michi sings a lot of the hot trail ride songs right now. We had him out here a month after we closed. It was crazy work. Definitely a successful event.
How did you make that connection?
So the guy that threw the party, it's Now We're Not Elite. That's the promotion group that had the party.
I heard him.
Yeah, Booby and Slav, Carl Ray. They threw the party, so they made those connections. So for that event, I was simply a venue. It was dope though because I have a saddle club. I'm in the community, so I was out here enjoying the festivities for free. Because I live here.
Right.
So
and
it was real dope.
He just validated recognition.
Right.
Nobody knows that you have this farm now.
Right.
Yeah, that's great.
What was the investment like for that?
We didn't have to do much. So for that one, nothing came out of pocket for me. They rented the lights, they rented the stage, they did everything. And that was our first event. So like you said, now we're validated. Now people know who we are. Now people have seen the space. When you're riding up Alamance Church Road, you don't know this is back here.
Right.
Yeah.
So, the property, it's been here. It's not new.
Right.
But, they had the first event, which, like I said, the vision was there. We knew what we could do with it. But that first event really put us, on the map as far as a venue goes.
And you went big on the first one. It was somebody with some recognition. That's free marketing for the farm.
Right.
And it paid for itself.
How many people came to that one? Do you know?
I know it was enough people to where we ran out of parking. My neighbors were generous enough to open up their parking.
So they rented the venue from you, and then they have the lot of people, right?
Right.
So did you start adding up how much money they was making and how much money you was missing out, or were
Not
you just...
really, because I'm cool with the guy. So he told me off gate, we had a conversation about it. He was like, but they had to do so much because they were at another venue. Something happened with the contract, so they had to scramble to find a venue. So they didn't make what they could have made.
Yeah.
But with the amount of people out here, he showed me the numbers and everything. But I was already onto that. Like, I've been
Yeah.
going to trail rides. I know how many
Yeah.
people show up. Like, I know.
See, because I ain't understand.
Yeah.
I ain't understand. Because, you know, like in the real estate world, you know, you just looking at one deal makes you average deal
Right.
size, you know?
Right.
I wasn't adding it up until I actually seen it. I'm like, oh, this could add up quick. And then on the next one, we're allowing people to bring coolers, you know, which brings up your average
Right.
ticket. So
Right.
I was like, oh, this could add up, you know? So could you tell us, like, may I ask how many of those trail rides you did?
We've hosted 4, I believe, but other people have hosted. We rented out to a couple
Nice.
of promotion groups, so we probably did close to 10 now.
Nice.
Nice.
Which way do you like better, when other people rent from you and they host, or when you guys host it?
It's more money in it, of course, when we
Amen.
host it. We're getting those
It's
tickets
more
off
work,
the
too.
door. It is more work, but we've got the system down so well now that it's not that bad.
Got
I mean,
it.
I rent the lights.
And that's the key word,
and
systemized.
That's
yeah.
it. Yeah, my out-of-pocket cost is lights and security. Everything else is
Nice.
Because it pays for itself,
right.
Yeah.
essentially. You know, you might have some startup investment, but really that's just marketing and stuff.
That's
You already
awesome.
got the place.
The first one we did that we hosted was a bonfire for my birthday.
Nice.
That was in November. So again, we closed in July. We were already hosting by November. So, but that one, because it was our first one, we did $10 a ticket. We still had 300-400 people out here
Nice.
for our first event.
Yeah.
What would be your top 5 ways that you would say right now?
Definitely events. Events is number 1 once we get back up and running. And then my passion is horse riding. So the horse lessons, I love teaching kids how to ride, adults.
Yeah.
We've had, you know, the 80 plus on horses recently. Let me see.
80 plus?
Yeah, 80 years old.
That's
We had an 80-year-old lady on
What
a horse.
are you charging for horse
So
horse
kids
lessons?
lessons are 65 for kids 12 and under.
Per
and
lesson,
then,
right?
Yes.
Got it.
And the lessons are an hour and a half, so that's 90 minutes worth of time. And adults are $80.
Got it.
Nice.
For
You got anybody on monthly packages or anything like that?
We got people that dibble and dabble that say they want to do it. You know how we are.
Mm-hmm.
You know how we are. But not yet. Not that have come consistently
Got it.
yet. It's coming though. There's
Absolutely.
a lot of interest. Once the weather would stop, like would
Yeah.
hold up,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we'd have a lot more traction there.
Yeah.
So you mentioned the events, the trail rides, you would call those
Mm-hmm. Yep.
the events.
Yep.
You got the horse lessons.
Mm-hmm.
What else?
We do field trips. Field
Nice.
trips, summer camps, daycares. We do
Nice.
all of that.
I saw that. Yep.
We do date nights, so we'll set up the barn all nice and have like a bottle of wine
Gotta
and
do
a
it.
paint and sip and all of that as well.
Nice.
That's definitely a vibe.
And the horse boarding.
Paint and sip.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do
Yeah.
that. We'll
I
do
went to
like-
one of those in Charlotte. There's one downtown Greensboro too.
Yeah.
But that's
But we do
fire.
it for
dope.
like small groups for people that don't want to do it with other people. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying?
You know.
Yeah.
Birthday parties a lot. We do a lot of those too. Family reunions. So outside of events, just the event space in general. We do have an open stall right now, to your point. So we do allow certain people, if I know you, to board. We are in the process of building out a larger horse stable, so we will have more space for people to be able to keep their horses as
Nice.
well.
That's fire, man.
That's awesome.
A lot of different ways to make money with this, and you
Yeah.
would say the event space for you is the biggest bag.
For sure.
What did that look like?
So our,
I don't know if you want to drop it,
yeah, I mean, well, our first party, again, that was just $10. And it was marketed as a birthday party for me. So we didn't get as much traction as we would have liked. Now, we still had a good turnout. But that one was, I think we had about 300 people at $10 a head. So
Nice.
that's, $3,000. That one was like a break even. Because again, I had to build out the fire pit. I had to do a lot. That was our first one.
Thank you for the transparency.
Second one, I think the second one we dropped the Lovers and Friends. That's the one that went viral. And that's the one where the neighbors started complaining. They didn't too much care about the bonfire one, but
Yeah.
that second one, it was at 20, we probably cleared 15,000.
Nice.
Easy. And
That takes care of the mortgage for
Yeah.
multiple
You know what I'm
months.
saying?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And then it grew from there. So Spring Fling, that one was really big too. And my overhead, all I'm paying is security and to rent the lights.
So
Amen.
really, it's just the vibe that you create. So the vibe is what's going to draw the people. But then you mentioned that you had other people that was already doing parties. They
Right.
promoting it.
Right.
You know what I mean? And then that's just bringing in the people. Now
For
they know
sure.
who you are. What's
Yeah,
the
I actually
overhead
keep note
like
of
to operate? I know you got Ernie here.
Yeah, Ernie is here. I ain't gonna put his business out there.
Yeah,
but
no,
Ernie,
no.
you know what I'm saying? Ernie is here doing community service, if you will. So that's just me providing a safe space for somebody to come reacclimate, if you will. It's not much. I mean, it's my mortgage. My mortgage is like $3,500. But again, we have a party. You don't got to worry about that for a couple.
You said $3,500?
Yeah, that's my mortgage, and that's for all of this.
Amen.
The porta-potties are like $420 a month, and that's if I keep all 4 of them. But again, I have an event. None of that's coming out of my pocket.
Yeah. That's amazing.
I rent the lights. I don't own my next step is to own the lights so I can rent them out to other people. But I rent the lights. They're like $200 a light, one in each corner of the field. And that's it. My security, shout out to Johnson Protection Agency.
So you're under $5,000 a month, basically.
Definitely.
Under $5,000 a month, and that's obviously gonna pay for itself.